It's raining outside, but I feel the love of God is flowing. I feel the love like a seed in the ground, but it's growing.
I've known Armand since he was a young man. His best man, my son Brian, and him have been thick as thieves since so many years ago. And at some point along this way, I met Joelle. She is someone who will go out of her way to make others feel welcome and appreciated. She is someone who loves with all of her heart and supports her friends and family through whatever challenge or accomplishment they may reach.
She's always been looking out for me, whether she knows it or not. And you, I only met you 3 years ago, but you both have become such an integral part of my new family. Because with Josh, I gained you as a sister, and now through your marriage, I have a new brother. And both of you mean so much to me.
Happy wedding day, my love. I want you to know that no matter what, I love you with all my heart. And I will always have your back and be by your side.
Here's the 7 years down and forever to go, sweet husband of mine. May our worlds forever be turned upside down and full of never-ending adventures. I love you.
You are so beautiful.
To this day, no one has ever made me feel the way you do. You make me feel so calm and excited at the same time, like a storm of butterflies let loose inside my body, only to then perch upon my heart, and a moment later. You taught me patience, showed me maturity, accepted my flaws, and ultimately loved me for everything I am.
We've had a lot of ups and downs, and we've been each other's rock in the storm more times than I can count. I wouldn't have it any other way.
And no, love isn't easy. In fact, it's honestly quite messy. And yet there is beauty in love's mess. People cross countries for love's allure. They change their worlds for the better, all in love's name. Because love is the mess of a marker a child's hand draws on the wall in the house of expression.
I love you with all my heart, Joelle.
You're going to have good days, you're going to have bad days. Make the best out of all of them. You'll have bumpy roads, just keep going.
Bringing little Aslan and eventually little Nova into our family, as well as Rosie, our tuxedo boy Fate, will be forever etched into my memory.
Every day after school, his grandfather, Arnold, would drive us home. He would always be there for us. I only wish that he could be here to see his grandson's wedding.
Joelle, I give you these rings.
Armand, I give you this ring.
As a symbol of my love and devotion,
I offer you my heart, my hand, and my love.
I join my life with yours, with all that I am,
with all that I have,
with the rest of my life until the ends of my days.
I honor you as my husband forevermore.
I honor you as my wife forevermore.
Can you see the sunlight coming? There's a new horizon coming.
Armand and Joelle, I now pronounce you to be married couple in a spirit of love and unity. You may now kiss.
This is where it begins.
love you both so much, and I cannot wait to see where this marriage takes you.
If I could stay right here, I would just try to stay.
I've known Armand since middle school, 21 years. That's right, folks. Our friendship can legally drink.
This is where it begins. This is where it begins. Yeah. This is where it begins. Can you see that sunlight coming? There's a new horizon calling. Something beautiful is dawning. This is where it begins.
If we can end today with any message, it is that love is something worth never giving up on and should always be something worth fighting for. Never forget to appreciate who and what you have in this life, and hopefully into the next you shall be reunited as the leaves on a tree and a fresh spring's bloom.
This is where it begins.